also had these type of ribbon in it. So we're going to change out the ribbon. We're just going to clean it up a little bit, blow it out. It's a Sears typewriter. So here, we have, it looks like it's a regular ribbon. Goes from the outside. Just kind of a standard little cover here. It looks like it goes from the back, like a little loop in the back, and then the loops in the back here. You can see how it slides back and forth like that. So we're going to take it out, just slide it out, and then it's kind of a unique looking spool. I haven't really researched it. It looks like it's multicolors. Somehow it's multicolors on the connector here, right there. So I don't know exactly what that is. I've kind of haven't researched it a lot, but I haven't found anything, so that's why I kind of make this little video. But we pull it out. So we're going to tense it up here, put the red on the bottom, red on the bottoms. So right here it slides in, right there. And it does have on the bottom like a clip, like a little hole. So it looks like it will work because it caught on the bottom clip and it turns. So it's turning right there, so that looks like it does catch it on the bottom. So we're going to go with this. We take this, we put it on this side, and it has like a little pin here, and that pin goes in the hole. So we put it right here in the hole. There it went inside. And then the way we're threaded in the back, I also use sometimes these little nose clip. So we're going to slide it in through the back. Slide it in through the back. Hook right there, and that should work. There's a little connector hook here, where you slide it in. You slide it right there. Oops. Slide it in right there. Now it's got a slide it in, tighten it up. See if that works. It looks like it loops forward here and loops back here. Add that tension, and you can see how, always make sure that it's turning. The spool is turning. So there we go. Okay, so we have the ribbon right here, hooks in here, just slides to the back, hooks on the inside, slides to the back, hooks on the inside, hooks right there, and it goes in this direction. And it seems to have the right amount of tension on it. And this is the way it closes up. You kind of turn it over a little bit. It has a spring loaded, and it closes. There's some directions there how to change the directions, but she's ready to roll. So the Sears Forecast 12. So some cool features it has. It has this where you can have an automatic indentation. Of course, you can use the different colors. Clear, you set the margins. You could put the tension if you want low, medium, high, and how it hits it. And also has a half space. So if I want to put something half space, this and then a half space, it gives you a little more space. So this is the regular space, put a half space between them. When I do the press the button for the new paragraph, it gives me the space for the new paragraph. So you automatically indent and it'll make it. And then repeat. Moves it down. You can set the margin in the back. Set the margins. It has these cool little wings to hold your paper up, like so. This one, the bell, you can hear it It's faint, but it is working nonetheless. There we go. Lift it up. This moves the back. Nice little machine. Forecast 12, Sears. As it has the original piece that the machine goes in here. You plop it in there and carry it with you. It's a heavy machine, but it's a sturdy machine.